right now my brother Nathan is over there and my friend Dominic's over there. And they're going to have a pistol war. 1, 3, 2, 1. Sorry about that. Right now there's Nathan. Over here is Dominic.
Oh, one in the hand.
Right now Dominic was hit once. We're playing 1 on the arm or hand, or 2 on the arm and hand, 2 hits on the arm and hand, and 2 hits on the leg and foot. And everywhere else, you're out. Nathan, you can't fool him.
You're so lucky, Dom. I got skills.
I think he was hit. Nope. Nathan was not hit.
Head. I win.
Woo! Brother wins. Well, he's kind of better.
My head hurts.
Okay.